Welcome to our new video tour. Today we are in a stunning and luxurious villa in the heart of the countryside of Tuscany, built in the 1900s and for sale at 3.5 million. The location is strategic. We are only 25 minutes from Florence city center. As you can see, the property is 700 square meters spread on 3 different levels, 16 bedrooms, 15 bathrooms, with a large garden with a swimming pool area. Come with me. Now we are at the first floor, in a private apartment with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and this fantastic living space with very interesting furnitures. This villa is not only a luxurious property and estate, but it is also a 4-star relay. At the moment is used as hospitality business for short-term and touristic rentals. But the property in the past was used as a private house, so there is the possibility to transform it back in a private villa with 9 large bedrooms. Now it's time to go outside to the swimming pool area. Come with me. Wow, this is fantastic, incredible view. As we are talking about a relay, the property offers versatile spaces for both private relaxation and for the common and social gatherings. The common areas includes, in the indoor part, 2 breakfast rooms, a lounge, and actually there is the possibility to create a restaurant. And then there is a big garden, a terrace and the gazebo to enjoy the peaceful of the Tuscany region. I hope you enjoyed this video tour. Don't forget to like, comment and follow our YouTube channel. See you in the next video tour. Ciao, ciao!